welcome to Acceleron's unboxing series. Today we're going to be focusing on the Willow Go. We'll be talking about its special features, what came in the box, how to assemble, how to use, and how to clean.
And by the way, if you haven't ordered your pump through insurance, visit us at acceleron.com/order and we'll help you along the way. The special features for the Willow Go include that it is fully wearable, making it hands-free and more discreet. It also has the ability to control the pump through an app where you also can access expert content. The pump comes with a 5-ounce reusable container. You also have the option to purchase a 7-ounce container. Let's assemble the Willow Go. First, you want to start with your container back. It has a little white notch where you will line up your valve. The valve also has an opening that aligns with the white notch. And you'll also be able to read Willow. Next, you want to take the container bowl. You want to line up the bottoms. And you're just going to squeeze. You'll hear air compress out. And that's how you know that it's secure. The container bowl has volume indicators. It holds up to 5 ounces or 150 milliliters. It also has a pour spout at the top that you'll transfer your breast milk into another container after pumping. Next, we're going to take the pump itself and connect the diaphragm. The pump has little notches that you'll line up with the diaphragm to push it through. Next, we're going to connect the container backing and bowl to the pump. You're going to hear a click to know that it's secure. There's also little buttons on the side of the pump itself that when you push them, it will release the container. Lastly, you want to put your preferred breast shield size or flange into the pump. You'll just push the breast shield into the front and you'll hear air compress. The Willow Go also comes with 2 USB charging cables, one for each side. You may notice that when your pump is fully assembled, you're not able to access the charging port. You will want to remove your breast shield, and then you'll have access. Now we're going to discuss how to control the Willow Go pump, and in our next segment, we'll show the pairing with the app. To use the pump, you have your controls at the top. You have your power button, the plus and minus to adjust your suction level, and the mode to go between stimulation and expression mode. Once you turn the pump on, there will be an LED light that indicates your battery level. This shuts off after 5 seconds. Your pump starts in stimulation mode and will automatically transition to expression mode after 2 minutes. You have 6 levels to adjust to in stimulation mode, and you can hit the mode button at any time if you need to transition to expression mode sooner. Once it has transitioned into expression mode, or you manually have moved that to expression mode, you can adjust your suction level between 9 suction levels. This pump will also automatically shut off after 25 minutes. If you need to shut the pump off before 25 minutes, you'll just hit the power button and can release your latch. And now let's take a look on how to control the pump through the app. All right, once you have downloaded the Willow app and you want to control your Willow Go with the app, it will walk you through how to connect the pump to the app via Bluetooth. Once successfully paired, you can start pumping. It does have tips and tricks that are optional if you need some more support. Otherwise, you can hit start pumping. You can control both the right side and the left side separately. Once you're ready to pump, you can hit the play. It will let you know what level you're on and what mode. If you want to adjust your suction level, you can hit the up or the down. If you need to pause for any reason, you can hit the stop button. And if you would like to change your mode before it moves into expression mode on its own, you can hit where it says stimulation or expression to move back. Once you have finished pumping, it also allows you to add your milk volume history for your session. If you hit that top button that looks like a bar graph, it allows you to add your milk volume. You can add it separately for both the right and the left side, and you can save your changes. You can go back to that session at any time. Otherwise, you can learn more about your pump with lots of different resources. You can shop from the app for replacement parts or bundles. And when you click Services, you also can find the lactation support. Now let's talk about cleaning your Willow Go. You'll want to disassemble and wash and sanitize before you use for the first time. To disassemble, you're going to pull apart your brush shield, and you're going to hit the two buttons on the side and squeeze until your backing releases. You'll separate the diaphragm from the pump, and you can separate the pump from your other parts. This does not have to be washed or sanitized. You'll pull on the container backing so that the bowl releases and you can remove the valve. You'll want to wash all of these pieces in warm soap and water and air dry. And before first use, you'll want to sterilize in boiling water for 5 minutes. At the end of each use, you'll want to transfer your pumped breast milk into another container before separating your pieces. You'll want to wash your pieces with warm soapy water in between uses in a separate container and air dry. Willow recommends sanitizing as needed, and the CDC recommends sanitizing once daily. For sanitizing, you'll want to use the boiling water method. So you'll put all of your pieces besides the pump itself and the charger in boiling water for up to 5 minutes. Acceleron has this unboxing series because we care about your journey through prenatal, returning to work, and beyond. We offer other education on our website at acceleron.com, including one-on-one consults, videos, guides, and more.